नमस्ते प्यारे बच्चों। Dear students, today in general knowledge we will discuss the topic mentioned at page number 90 of the book Kidwiz. Name of the topic is Dances of the World. Dance is a way of knowing and communicating. Dance, as with all the arts, has its own language. It is not only an individual or group experience but also considered as a cultural mirror where the spirit, character and artistry of its time are reflected. Match the different dances from across the world with their respective country. प्यारे बच्चों, डांस एक वे है कम्युनिकेट करने का। जिस स्टेट कंट्री को बिलोंग करता है डांस, उस स्टेट को, उस स्टेट के ड्रेस सेंस, उसका कल्चर, द वे ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन, ये सब कुछ उसके डांस से पता चलता है हमें। इस पेज पर हमें लेफ़्ट साइड में वर्ल्ड के डिफरेंट कंट्रीज, स्टेट्स के डांस फॉर्म्स दिए हैं और उसके सामने ही कंट्रीज, स्टेट्स के नेम दिए हैं। हमें उनको मैचिंग करनी है कि डांस फॉर्म किस कंट्री से बिलोंग करता है। पेज की बॉटम पर कुछ कलरफुल पिक्चर्स हैं जिसमें कुछ डांस फॉर्म्स डिपिक्ट किए हुए हैं और उसके नीचे ही उसका नेम भी दिया है। Now we are starting. The first dance form given is Sufi whirling. And if we go through the name of the countries mentioned on the right side, Sufi whirling dance form belongs to the country Turkey. Option K is the answer. Second, Aboud's Bromley Horn dance. The dance form belongs to the country England. Option A. Third one, Sam folk dance. It belongs to the country Mongolia. Option H is the answer. Fourth dance form given is Aboriginal dance. It belongs to country Australia. Option L, last option mentioned, is the answer. Next, fifth one, Chincha dance. It belongs to country Peru. Option C. Next, sixth one, Tango scenario. It belongs to Argentina. Option J is the answer. Seventh one, Gumboot dance. Gumboot dance, it is famous in South Africa. Option I Next, eighth one, Ex Bahia dance. It belongs to the country Brazil. Option E. Now we move on to the ninth dance form, Bedouins dance. It is famous in Yemen. Bedouins dance belongs to country Yemen. Option B. Tenth one, Baladi dance. The dance form is famous in Egypt. Baladi dance. This dance form is famous in Egypt. Option F. Next, 11th one, Ghumura. Ghumura. It belongs to Odisha state of India. Option G. Last dance form given is Pullikali. The dance also belongs to India in the Kerala state. Dear students, now today's topic comes to an end. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.